In this video, you will learn how to adjust the seed spacing on the matrix and how to increase the seed rate at the field edge. First, let's take a look at the seed spacing. To do this, start on the user page on the control terminal and open the seed unit level. Select the first tab at the top. The seed spacing is located at the bottom right of the page. To change the value, select the seed spacing. Then plus and minus buttons will appear on the right side. Use these buttons to set the desired seed spacing. Additionally, you can set the pills per hectare directly to the left of the seed spacing. This value is linked to the seed spacing. Furthermore, you can save two different seed spacings. These are displayed as seed spacing 1 and seed spacing 2. You can easily switch between the two different seed spacings directly by simply tapping, which allows you to quickly select the exact desired seed spacing that you previously set. This feature is particularly helpful and convenient when conditions change while you are working within a field. After the seed spacing is set, we will look at adjusting the seeding rate in the outer rows. This function is primarily used at the field edge and can help counteract slug damage. To do this, go from the user page to the field level. You can find the corresponding settings for these functions in the middle area. On the left, you set the percentage by which the seeding rate should be increased. Directly to the right of that, you determine how many rows are affected by this. To activate the function, simply tap the On button. After that, the set seeding rate in the outer rows is automatically increased accordingly. This change is also displayed clearly in a graphical format in the upper part of the page. In the next step, you set which side of the machine you want to start with at the field edge. To do this, start on the home screen of the operating terminal and switch to the tramline control level. There, select the tramline configuration tab at the top. If the left side of the machine is at the field edge, select the left icon. For the right side, select the right icon if the right side of the machine is at the field edge. With that, you have adjusted the seed spacing and the settings for the edge areas to your conditions. Good luck with your season.